Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up using Citi ThankYou points with Expedia, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin using Citi ThankYou points with Expedia, first, ensure you have a Citi ThankYou account. Log into your Citi ThankYou account using your credentials. Check your ThankYou points balance to see how many points you have available. Next, visit the Expedia website or open the Expedia app. If you don't have an Expedia account, create one for free. Sign in to your Expedia account once it's set up. Now, start searching for your desired travel options such as flights, hotels, or vacation. Select the travel option that suits your needs. Continue to the checkout page once you have chosen your travel arrangements. Look for the payment options section on the checkout page. Select the option to pay with ThankYou points. A new window will open prompting you to sign into your Citi ThankYou account again. Enter your Citi ThankYou login details to link your account to Expedia. Once linked, you'll see how many ThankYou points you can use towards your purchase. Choose the amount of points you wish to apply to your booking. Confirm the total cost after the points have been deducted. Proceed to finalize your reservation by following the on-screen prompts. Once you complete your booking, you'll receive a confirmation email from Expedia. You're done. Enjoy planning your trip using your Citi ThankYou points with Expedia. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.